welcome back to my channel, and today I am very excited to do the unboxing of my new equipment in this channel, which is the ring light. As everyone knows, it's common for beauty vloggers especially to use ring lights in their tutorials because light is really intense that it makes the videos very clear, especially when doing makeup tutorials. And I'm really fortunate that my parents are very supportive, and mom gave me a ring light. And yes, today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the ring light that I got. So far, it's the cheapest ring light that I've seen, and I kind of trust the shop because it's a professional photo and light shop, which is called the Apex Digital, I think, studio. I will link down below their website and their Facebook page. They're really accommodating, and they reply fast on Facebook. And I've asked, the owner even told me that a lot of vloggers are buying from them. I would like to point out that this is not sponsored. I just want to share because it's a struggle here in the Philippines to get ring lights, because first, it's expensive and it's not common. I think not all photo shops sell ring lights. So enough of this intro, and I will show you what I got. So yeah. So this is my current setup. I'm using a tripod, and then I have a lamp, and then two na fluorescent na nakadikit sa pader. So it's an 18-inch ring light. I actually just got it. I just got home, and their shop is in Taft, but they also ship to your place. But I opted to go there because I wanna see it in person, because it's kinda pricey, and I don't wanna take the risk because I just bought it online. So I'd rather go there, and kasi parang mahirap yung parang pagdating mo pala hindi mo gusto, or parang masyado palang malaki, kasi there's two options. It's the 12-inch and the 18-inch, and nakita ko yung 12-inch. Parang pwede siya, no? Anyway, it's called the Apex 18-inch LED ring light 5500K day and pure white. It costs this one, it costs 5,800 pesos, but without the stand. Mostly na nakikita ko online, it's around 9,000 with stand. Tapos hindi pa siya professional na light shop. Yung iba, yun nga, fluorescent yung gamit. So this comes with a case. O, diba? Lalo na masaya to pag may mga ka-collabs ka, kasi tapos kunyari, if you're moving towards professional makeup, parang makakatulong din to, kasi sobrang liwanag niya na maganda siya ring light habang nag-makeup ka. It comes with filters, itong orange. Ito yung warm na filter. Ayan. Tapos ito na yung clear, ito yung diffuser. Diba? Parang professional ko pag sinabi ko yun eh. Diffuser. AC adapter. Tapos ito na yung plug. God! Ano pala siya? Like this. So, gagamit naman pa siya ng isa pang adapter. So, ito na yung actual ring light. And it has LED lights. And I think kapag LED yung gamit, mas maliwanag siya, which is very good. Kasi yun naman talaga yung purpose ng ring light. Kaya ka nga bibili, kasi para mas maliwanag talaga. And, ayan. Meron siyang, syempre bukod dun sa power, meron siyang dimmer dito sa likod. And, dito yung sa stand. Ito dito. Stanley. Ayan. Tapos, also, this doesn't come with a dog. So, huwag kayong umasa na rin kasi meron akong aso dito. Baka isipin nyo, kasama ko ba yung package? I will show you, guys, a comparison of my current light and how it is with the ring light. Wala yung stand. Separate siyang bibilin. Ano siya, 1,100 pesos. And, tawag dito, air cushion na, ano to? Stand. Yun. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit siya air cushion. Kasi dalawa yung klase na lang ng stand. Isa spring. Wala. Tapos parang nasa 500 pesos lang yun. Tapos ito, 1,100. So, yan. May bag na din siya. Tapos, ang tawag dito, Besat. Besat yung pangalan ng brand. Sobrang mature niya yung Advocate Pinoy, hindi ko kaya. And dito yung out. So, ito yan, extend lang natin. Papakita ko na rin sa inyo yung full height. Tapos, ito, twist lang ulit. Sigurado ka ba? Ito. Ayan, ganyan siya. Tapos, kaya siya air cushion kasi slowly siyang babagsak. Ayan. So, hindi siya yung parang pag na-twist nyo, nalaglag. Yung parang magbabounce yung light nyo. So, ayan, I think it's a good buy. And, good investment din naman to. You can take your time. Relax. Chill pill.
Mature ko ngayon.
Ayan. So, yan. Ayusin na natin ng ganito. Tapos, yan, twist lang natin para ma-lock. So, dalawa yung lock niya. Yung para pang belt, tapos yung lock nitong mismong thing.
Don't worry, pag nandun naman kayo, shoot kagad sa inyo yan. So guys, kung may manual man yung mabibili nyo, sundin nyo, please.
Kasi hindi lahat merong boyfriend na kasama
Oo.
sa package. Hindi, sa package. So ito na yung, this is my natural light sa room. And this is what will look like. Yan. So ito na yung dim. Ito yung dimmest. Tapos ito. Oh my God. My dog is blinded. So yan. Ito yung max. 40,000 hours yung lifespan. So this is it for pure white light. And ito try natin siya sa orange naman.
So this is how it is when it's purely orange. So
Oh, wow.
don't worry, it doesn't look hot. We are using the orange filter already for the ring light. So also you can mix it up, but we'll show you later. Okay, you can mix these two up. Here it is at its brightest. You can see your skin tone's warmer now compared to earlier shot. And now we'll dim it a bit and see the difference. So we can still have the room's light or the room's tone. But comparing it to the max power, you can see the skin tone better. So yeah.
So this is it. This is how it looks like when we mix the orange and white filters. So ito siya. Papakita ko sa inyo in.
Medyo mataas siya ngayon.
Lahat pala ng test kanina naka-max. So, ito yung max. So, that's it for my ring light unboxing. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And comment down below ano yung favorite yung light. And if kung interested kayo. And all the links will be in the description box below. Yeah, expect better tutorials. Hopefully. Pero yan, this setup will really inspire me to do better on tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button below to be part of the team of Leak. And so, that's it. And thank you so much for sticking with me throughout the years. Oh my God. And thank you so much and bye-bye. Bye.